Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another super healthy recipe, soft and spongy Kodo Millet Idli. This healthy idli is especially good for diabetic, obese and hypertensive people. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken half cup of urad dal or black gram dal and 2 tablespoons of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. If you are staying in cold climate, you can use hot or warm water to soak the dal for better fermentation. Here I have taken 2 cups of Kodo millet. It is also called as araka, haraka or arka in Kannada language. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Same like other millets, Kodo millet is highly nutritious, gluten-free alkaline food with low glycemic index. It is rich with fiber, protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, folic acid and zinc. Because of rich fiber, it helps to detoxify the body. Because of low glycemic index, it releases the sugar slowly into bloodstream and maintains the sugar level normalcy. Magnesium helps to maintain insulin level and it also helps to reduce pressure on blood vessels. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked dal and fenugreek mixture into blending jar and grind it to form smooth paste. You can use soaked water for grinding. Transfer it to a large vessel. Into that same blending jar, transfer the soaked Kodo millet. You can grind it in batches. By adding millet soaked water, grind it to form coarse paste. Millet soaked water contains essential vitamins and minerals, so don't discard that water. And transfer it to that same large vessel. Take 1 cup of cooked Kodo millet or Kodo millet poha and by adding water, grind it to form smooth paste and add it to that same vessel. Now add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a good mix. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Now close the lid and keep it for fermentation for 8 to 12 hours depending upon the climate of your area. Well fermented batter. Give a quick mix. Now pre-grease your idli molds with ghee or any cold pressed oil and transfer the batter into idli molds. Fermented food is rich with vitamin B12. It is especially good for vegetarians or vegans. Steam cook for 20 minutes. Allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes and super healthy, soft and spongy Kodo Millet Idli is ready to serve. You can serve it with any chutney or sambar of your choice. Try this healthy recipe and stay healthy. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.